Modi will be participating in the 50th G7 summit. A crucial one comes at a time when we're looking at the Israel-Hamas war and the Russia-Ukraine war. It is going to be held at Bogno in Ignazia, a beautiful resort in Fasano city of Apulia here in Italy. I'm in Bari, 60 kilometers away from the main venue, but it's a beautiful venue. It's a jam-packed day for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It begins with bilateral meetings, after which he will be attending the outreach session where he will be speaking about various areas of focus this year, which includes climate change, energy, artificial intelligence. And for Prime Minister Modi, being where he is, the space that he has made, apart from Africa, where African Union was included as a member at the G20, Africa will be an important subject, but he'll also touch upon concerns regarding the humanitarian and civilian crisis owing to the wars, particularly now in Israel, between Israel and Hamas in Gaza. Having said that, there are also going to be other bilateral meetings. We are looking at one confirmed with Italian Premier Giorgia Meloni. There could be one with the French President, with German Chancellor Scholz, with various other leaders, but there is no confirmation on any particular meeting with President Biden, or for that matter Canadian Prime Minister Trudeau. Although there is a space for pull asides, let's see whether if there are going to be meetings when the pull asides happen. The UAE President is also going to be here, Sheikh Al Nahyan. So a lot of important leaders, lot of important discussions at a time when he's taken over for the third time. There is surely going to be a lot of congratulatory messages that will go out from these leaders for Prime Minister Modi. But what we are going to focus on a little later in the evening, when the meeting between Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Meloni takes place, is how the social media will be abuzz. It will be on fire. Every time the leaders meet, a selfie moment, a micro moment is captured and is made larger than life. So let's see what happens when the leaders meet this time around. Will they have a selfie? Will there be a chai pe charcha or walk on the beach? We do not really know, but everybody is waiting for those micro moments of melody. That's what they called, Melanie and Modi together in India and in certain parts here in Italy as well. So that's the hashtag that certainly will be trending all through the day. In Bari, Geeta Mohan for India Today Global.